5 million birds are going to make their way across the sky tonight. 5 million. So please do your part. Keep your outdoor lights to a minimum. Shut your curtains, your blinds. If you have a bird bath, make sure it's filled with fresh water. And hopefully you can make the water have movement. So if there's a solar function to it, or if you can plug it in, that's even better, because the birds don't see it from afar unless the water's moving. Tomorrow, we're expected another 4 million birds to make their way across the Pacific Northwest. So we're pretty excited since we all love birds here.
Birds are freeloaders. Just saying.